My name is Saurabh Kohli and I head the farm business of Mahindra in South Africa. So on the tractor side, we have tractors ranging in from 15 horsepower till 110 horsepower. We have a business in implements. We've got assembly plants in practically every continent, and we are just expanding. What we are trying to bring on is the awareness of what the products are, the capability of the products, and what does Mahindra farming stand in for. For example, we do something known as a 3-2-3 promise. So it's a 3-year warranty is what we give. We give you 2 years, 2,000 kilometer service parts. And we do 3-day turnaround for your tractors. In case 3 days things do not happen or your tractors are not fixed, we ask a dealer to give you another tractor, for we do understand that the farmer needs a tractor when he needs a tractor. We have a beautiful after-sales team which is very well connected with all the dealers across. There are processes, systems checks, spare parts available, technical discussions, warranties, all are taken care of. So we are ready. There's a reason why the world likes us. The statement of tough, efficient and effortless is not a statement. This is something what we believe in and we are offering in. The product is already getting recognized. Behind me are the new sets of tractors that you've seen, which are the global launches for the world. So we just want people to understand what we are doing and how we are planning it. And we are somebody that you should look out for. We are here for good, and we will work with you to do better things for the community. Thank you.